Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this cordless reciprocating saw from the manufacturer in exchange for a review. So let's unpack it, look at its features, put it to use. Okay, here's the reciprocating saw from Syracuse. Came with an instruction manual, a belt clip, and about 4 blades, a couple of 6-inch and a couple of 9-inch, both for cutting wood, metal, and or PVC. Okay, if we take a closer look at this reciprocating saw, it's very well balanced and designed to be used with one hand, either your left or your right hand, and that allow your other hand to be free to perhaps stabilize whatever you're cutting. It does not come with a battery. However, this is designed to use the 20-volt lithium-ion DeWalt battery. So we'll go ahead and put that in. You just simply line it up, snap it into place. Okay, to turn on the power, you press this red button one time, and then you can release the lock lever and then pull the trigger. And you see it's on speed number 1. It has 3 variable speeds. The first speed is 2,500 saws per minute. And it is a variable speed, so you can just barely press the trigger and it'll reciprocate much slower. That you can see. Press this again. It's on speed number 2, which is 2,800 saws per minute. And then the high speed, speed number 3, is 3,000 saws per minute. Okay, the lights here on the left, green, yellow, and red, indicates the battery life. So if it has all 3 of the lights, then you know the battery life is good. Okay, as I stated earlier, this is the activation switch, and this button here, when pressed in, is safety lock. And then to use the saw, you just press this button in this direction. Okay, it has the brushless motor. It has several vent ports to ensure the tool remains cool. You have your frame, saw frame here. Okay, as I stated earlier, it does come with a belt hook or belt clip that can be installed on the left or the right hand side of the bottom of the saw, whichever you prefer. So let's remove the battery, put the belt clip in place, and then we'll give it a look. Okay, here it is with the belt hook installed that you can clip that on your work belt to keep the tool close by if you're frequently using it. To install the blade, you have this locking sleeve that's here with the slot there. It's spring loaded. You just simply rotate the sleeve, insert the blade into the slot here, and then release the sleeve, and it will lock it in. So we'll install the battery. Press the lock button. And you're ready to saw. So as I stated earlier, it did come with 4 blades. 2 blades are designed for cutting metal or PVC, and then the other blade is for wood. You also have a LED light here on the bottom that you can use to saw if it's dark locations and so forth, and you can see what you're cutting. So let's give it a try. Okay, when you're using reciprocating saws, it's best to place whatever you're cutting up against this frame, like so. If you have it out here, then it's going to create a lot of wobbling and you have less control over it. So it's best to place it here and then let the saw do the work, as opposed to putting it here. And I see some people try to do the sawing motion along with the saw. So this is plastic on the outside and metal on the inside of what I'm trying to cut. Okay, this is an aluminum pipe. Okay, I put the 6-inch blade in for cutting wood. Overall, this is a great cordless reciprocating saw by Cerycose. I like it because it does not require a tool in order to change out the blades. You have the spring-loaded sleeve here, the LED working light, ergonomically balanced that you can use the tool in one hand and hold your workpiece and free up your other hand. Also comes with 3 variable speeds as well. 4 blades, 2 for cutting wood, 2 for cutting metal or PVC, 6-inch and 9-inch respectively. And best of all, it's cordless and made for the DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. Ready to use, just put the battery in and you're ready to go. So I highly recommend this cordless reciprocating saw.